Did you know that 75% of business owners don't know how to use Instagram stories strategically? So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to use Instagram stories to sell your offers and build your authority and turn your followers into community, and also how to launch your offers on Instagram story and sell and get high ticket clients without any fancy websites, landing pages, or any tech funnels, anything. How to simply use Instagram stories for your business. So let's dive into this video. So I have worked over the last 3 years. I have worked with like more than 130 plus business owners in different niches, and most people, business owners, believe that Instagram stories are just a place to share, happy Monday, or just like sharing like pictures of their like working laptop, or like posting new posts or resharing other people posts like that. So if you hear people on social media experts telling you that don't sell your offers on social media every day, don't do that, you will show up so salesy. So strategically, like when you're using Instagram for business, your feed post, your content is the like a doorstep, is like a window shop of your business, like to bring people to your page, get more eyeballs, views, and turn those views into 8 followers. That's your content works for them. So if you're just posting about your offers, this is not a good place. Yes, you can sell your offers at the end of the carousel talking about that, or in the caption you can tell like if you want to work with me, comment below this, or if you're interested in the service, click the link in bio. But mainly how you can turn those followers to nurture them into a strong community and selling your offer is Instagram stories, because Instagram stories is only going to exist 24 hours. It's true that it does not bring any new followers, but you can existing, whatever, if you have just 100 followers and your goal is to get 5 clients, if you are creating content very specific to your targeted audience, and you are posting stories that is nurturing them, building a community, what you're going to post on these stories is showing behind the scenes. So let's say if you are launching an offer next week, share us picture like I'm working on this offer launching soon. If you're interested to know more details about it, reply to the story and or tap this emoji like this I have shared with you. And you can also share testimonials like the clients that you're working with you, like what results they get, and at the end of the slide just share the call to action. If you're interested in working with me and get result like this, reply to the story XYZ or comment below like that. You can do that. Also, you can launch Instagram or like Instagram stories. You don't have to be, go to Canva or any like creating very Canva, graphic templates or branded templates. If you're interested in doing that, you can go ahead, do that. But you can post anything on your Instagram stories, and it's the best place. You can't post your selfies or pictures, but you can do that to bring, humanize your brand. Like people connect with people love stories. You can share like you have business behind the days, like how is it going on, or showing the picture of a one-on-one client, share the picture of that you're having a coaching call with your client, like that is the best lot. And also if you're interested in getting like more engaging Instagram story ideas that you can post on Instagram story, make sure you check out my best-selling offer, Instagram Story Kit 101, which is like most of like my best-selling offer, and all of my clients love this. So make sure you check out in the description. It includes more than 150 plus Instagram story ideas that will like boost your engagement and nurture on like how to launch, and everything is covered like perfectly about Instagram stories. Make sure you check in the description. So how are you going to launch your Instagram stories? Like your offer is this. So I'm going to share with you a screenshot here also, and you have to follow a story sequence to do that. So the number 1 slide you're going to show like introducing whatever your offer name is. Then the second slide is telling like what is inside this program, who is it for, or sharing a call to action, like how long is it for, or like third, fourth slide is it like call to action or sharing testimonials or reviews if you have already that. But if you are a business owner, like right now you don't have clients, so you can use as a social proof, as a testimonial of your comments also. If someone message you like I love your content, you help me a lot, or like if someone commenting you can use that as a social proof and testimonial. Yes, you can do that. You can share that and you can add a call to action. Also, when it comes to selling your offer and story, important. People likely like buy either in the morning or in the night, like while going to sleep. And you can also notice that Amazon and Flipkart do like 12 p.m. sale at the night, and it's like profitable. So like you can see, like people love to buy at night, and if you're like me, like mostly offers that I buy or products I buy at night while scrolling. So yeah, it's like human, or like you can say psychology, like that works best. So make sure you're talking about your offer in the morning, you're selling your offer in the morning and in the at the night before you're going to sleep or before you are logging out from your business work. Also, what you can do the best is sell your offers daily on Instagram story every day. So let's say you're posting like minimum 2 or 3 slides, make sure you're posting. You don't have to post on your feed daily, but